When is the best time to buy the home? Is the housing market is gonna crash? Are you gonna get better deals? If you are interested in this topic, please stay till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in money saving, minimalism and different investing ideas, you are at the right place. It has been a while since I made the videos. I really apologize for that due to coronavirus scareness and some personal issues going on. Today I'm going to talk about, is 2020 is the best time to buy the house? Is it good to wait another 6 to 18 months or is good to buy right away? As a small real estate investor, what I'm telling you is from my personal experience. It may or may not be completely accurate. What I'm providing you guys from my personal experience. Recently, I sold one of my condos. I thank God for that. Luckily, it stayed in the market only for 2 months and I was able to sell it. Even despite the fact of coronavirus pandemic. When I sold my place, I did the 1031 exchange. What 1031 exchange is, when you sell a rental property, as long as you are planning to reinvest in 6 months or less, if you do 1031 exchange, you don't have to pay capital gain on it. But here is the deal. When you do the 1031 exchange, you have to do it with a 1031 certified lawyer. Not all the lawyers do that. I found a lawyer in New York. He was pretty reasonable. It's $500. Here is the catch when you do 1031 exchange. You have to identify a property within 45 days. You can identify up to 3 properties. If you don't identify a property within 45 days, 1031 exchange people take their fee and return the money back to you. Then you have to pay the capital gain. As soon as you do the 1031 exchange, you have to hop into Realtor.com, Zillow.com or Redfin or somewhere and try to look for the property which you can afford it. Because you have only 45 days to identify the property and 6 months to close the property. But you can identify up to 3 properties, but you have to do within 45 days. That's the catch. Anyway, I'm on my search to find some properties. So far, I didn't find anything within my price range. Still, prices are high. Even a foreclosure property, I went and saw it. It was in a decent shape, but bank doesn't want to negotiate the price. Although I was willing to do the cash sales. So I'm gonna wait and see what's out there. Anyway, let's come back to the point. Since I'm searching the property all along, I'm frequently looking on Realtor.com and see if the prices drops or not. So far nothing drops. In fact, the prices are higher than last year. Like I told you earlier, I went and saw several properties. The owners doesn't want to go down with the price. Since we have the stimulus check and everything, and you don't have to pay mortgage for several months, I'm sure homeowners will hold on to until they have to pay all the mortgage at the same time. So anyone looking for a house, I would recommend you guys to wait anywhere from 6 months to 18 months. I would say 18 months you will see rock bottom prices. So if you are looking for a deal, I would highly recommend you to wait till 6 months to 18 months, and also you can negotiate the price. Their real estate is mainly supply and demand case. Now they have less supply, so more demand for the properties. But when you wait till 6 to 18 months, the prices will drop and you can negotiate for more. And also another thing I can tell you, when you are buying a home, make sure that at least you put 20% down so you don't have to pay the PMI. What PMI is? Private mortgage insurance. When you take PMI, it's ensuring the bank that even if you are unable to pay the mortgage to the bank, as long as you have PMI, if something happened to you, they will pay your mortgage. In order to avoid the PMI, you had to put 20% or more. For example, if you are buying a $100,000 home, you have to put $20,000 down. I know it's a lot, but just start to save up now. Do the money management now. Do the budgeting now. Do the meal prep now. Since it's a stay-at-home time, get used to stay at home more, making healthy meals at home, do the virtual conferences, try to save up the money for a 20% down for your home. When you are ready to buy the home in another 6 to 18 months, you can avoid the PMI and you can get a better deal. Personally, I will not buy any home until that time. But you could still look into Realtor.com, Zillow.com, Trulia, Redfin, or wherever you want. You get a better ideas so you can prepare for the future. Since it's a quarantine, you can spend more quality time with your family, learn more about being frugal, and get some financial education. To be honest with you guys, I never invest in the stock market. Last couple of months, I learned more about stock market. I watched some financial savvy videos. I got some general idea where to invest. I started on stock market investing. I know you buy the shares when it's low and sell it when it's high. So I did my small investment. Now I'm waiting for the prices to go up. I did invest in BP, S&P 500 index fund, American Airlines, AT&T, some stuff. Now I'm waiting for it to go up. I would like to hear from you guys how you are spending your quarantine time. When you are planning to buy your home, please drop it in the comment below. If you like my video, please don't hesitate to comment, share and like it. Thank you so much and have a great day.